We'll try to go to a destination which is approximately 1 hour 30 minutes, 1.5 hours distance, provided it doesn't rain. So let's hope for the best, and on the way I'll let you know where we are going today.
We'll stop for our breakfast at Ludhiya, where we'll reach via the Shimla forest.
During our first vlog, we have come to this road, but if you see now, the greenery is enhanced.
Previously, we have visited Ludhiya when we went to Muktikola via the Kaprai road, which unfortunately doesn't give you such a pleasant experience because the road is not covered by forest on either side as we get in this road.
As we are moving towards Ludhiya, you can see the clouds are getting dense. So there is no hope that there won't be any rain. We have not even reached Garigora and it has started raining. Excellent. So we have finally reached Ludhiya. So during the monsoon only you can see this. The clouds covering the hills. It looks beautiful, but not ideal for a ride. This view is always breathtaking. Look how beautiful it looks.
Good morning everyone. Right now we are at Ludhiya. First we're gonna have our breakfast. This is Rajesh Gupta shop. So we're gonna ask Mr. Gupta what we can get for breakfast. Okay. भैया आपके पास क्या क्या होगा यहाँ पे?
वेज मोमो, चिकन मोमो, आलू चॉप, अंडा चॉप और कॉफ़ी और वाई वाई.
So we're gonna have veg momo, 2 plate veg momo and 4 plate chicken momo. So here is everyone. Danda, say hi.
Hi.
Didi. Hi. Didi. And lastly, Sandip Bhaiya.
Chalo.
So we have completed our breakfast, and now we will move ahead. And once again it has started raining. Awesome. Last time we came on this road when we visited Muktikola. That time I have told, like, if you want to visit Mirik, which is our destination for today, we have to take a right hand turn from the top. So we will be taking this road to go to Mirik. So we will start off with our journey. Slight improvement in weather, but still not very hopeful. We hit lush greenery towards our right, as you can see. So that is the road that we will be taking. So as you can see, the road is wet. So we won't overspeed out here. We normally don't do, but we won't go on a high speed also, so that there is no chance of speeding. Anyways, if the rain starts off, then we'll switch to the rain mode. Right now you can see already it is set to the sports mode, so we'll set to the rain mode so that we get a better grip on the road. The weather is pretty cool. During the monsoon, the only good thing that you get is that you get lush greenery all around you. This is the specialty of hills. If you come out here, weather is extremely unpredictable.
So we are at the Bungkulung road, and here you can see Bungkulung 7.6 km, Ghaman Bridge 11 km and Shourani 15 km. Those who don't know about Ghaman Bridge is a bridge which connects Mirik to Kurseong, and here is a waterfall, beautiful waterfall. Right here it's a step fall, and there is another waterfall in this road, that is Romiba waterfall. Maybe someday we can cover it.
Now we have started our journey towards Mirik. On the way to Mirik, there are various viewpoints from where we get an excellent panoramic view of the nature. Hopefully it won't be covered in fog because the viewpoints are situated at higher altitudes and we get a good view.
view. Beautiful. Just look at it. This is the beauty of it. The weather has changed. As you can see, there is fog all around. We have more 13 kilometers to reach Mirik. The visibility is okay. So as you can see, there are fog on the road. Few places the road is not okay, but still it is fine. এখান থেকে ছবি তুলি না কোনটা কোথায় ব্রিজ ও ওইটা
এটা দুটো পাহাড়কে কানেক্ট করেছে
ওকে না ঠিক আছে
কাশিয়াং আর
নাবি ওকে না বাইক তো গরম হবে সেজন্য তো